Welcome back to the channel. I'm Damii and I finally bought a camera. By the title and thumbnail you know what it is. The Canon R50 V. So to get straight to it, why did I buy this camera? For the longest time I'm using my iPhone 16 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So on both iPhones I did shoot an Apple Log 422 LT using the Moment Pro camera. Like yeah, these phones are great for what they can do, especially my 16 Pro, but I won't be retiring that phone, but I'd use it as a backup camera if I need to. My iPhone's always got the job done a lot of times, and that's what built part of this channel and my car channel. My car channel or page is Damii Drives, you can go check it up, and I did push them to the max of what like an average person might use them for. Like I know my stuff when it comes to filming on iPhone, and it was great when trying to take pictures or shoot videos in Apple ProRes 422 LT. It was great. Yeah, I did buy a lot of equipment for them. Like I have a small rig cage, I have a KNF ND filter and some other equipment like a small rig magic arm, but then they began to get heavy and harder to carry around without a bag, and it did take some time to get set up and going. And the battery life wasn't the best when it came without filming without a power bank, and the phones would overheat a lot. If you want to deep dive into my process and gear on shooting on my iPhone, just let me know and I'll make a video for you guys. Now let's get back to my R50 V. This camera was about $1,000 and some before taxes, in Canadian dollars to be exact. So while doing my research, I was debating on getting the ZV-E10 Mark II, I hope I said that right, or the Canon R50 V. And price wise, the R50 V worked well for me as I got the kit lens and some accessories for below the price of just the ZV-E10 Mark II kit lens alone. Let's go over the accessories actually. So first off, I got the cleaning kit lens for the sensor and the lens. Next was a small rig cage for better grip and protection. Then I got the KNF 3-pack battery that I can also interchange with my original ones that came with the camera, and I can also charge my original ones as well with it. And also the V30 SD card that allows me to record in 4K 30 and 60. But the thing is, with the R50 V, recording 4K 60 gives you a 1.5x cropped, so 30 is where I'm gonna stick my recording to. And I did get a 58mm to 67mm step up ring at the time of filming this or recording this, so that I can use my KNF ND filter that I use for my iPhone on my camera. And yeah, one more thing, I got a mini tripod from Small Rig and a big one from KNF. As you can see, I like Small Rig and KNF products. They just seem to work for me the best and are built properly. So let's go over the camera more. So it has an articulating screen that also rotates to portrait when recording. There's a record button in the front of the camera for those selfie-ish or videos, a tripod screw on the side, and a dial for multiple video options and a photo option. A zoom dial with a starter kit lens that works, a compartment for the battery and the SD card, and finally ports. A lot of ports, which I'm happy about. Yes, it's a camera made out of plastic, but once paired with the small rig cage, it feels beefy and sturdy. In the video mode, there's lots of options from auto to manual mode and others that you don't really need, but without an ND, the TV mode is the best as it controls the ISO and aperture very well. In photos, it's the same auto to manual and other modes that I don't really care, to be honest, but one thing is how fast the focus is, and you can prioritize the autofocus for other switches like people, cars, and pets. As I know of it, it has 6K sensor that's downsized to 4K for video, so I know those videos are going to be extra crispy. In all honesty, I'm happy with what I got. I'm still trying to learn this camera every day and the settings, so I'll update you in a few months about it. And one more thing is the app. So with the Canon Connect app, I can connect to my phone to it and transfer pictures and videos taken, and also delete videos on my camera through my phone, which I think is clutch. And I can use my phone as a second screen for video or photo and control the settings there as well, which I think is one of the coolest things this camera has over its competitors, I think. I can easily send pictures to my phone and edit in Lightroom on the go, which I like for like a fast-paced workflow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's kind of a short video, but this is the new family onto the channel. As I said, the iPhones are still here to stay, as everything in this video was pretty much shot on them. So now I have both C-Log 3 and Apple Log at my disposal, which is a great combo to be honest. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to like, give your opinion or what you think I should do or add in the next video. Subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Signing out.